My name is Roimata Smale. I am a lawyer. I've been working for 20 years in cases to do with Te Tiriti o Waitangi.
I've felt a responsibility to try and share some of the things I've been lucky enough to learn in my cases.
Understanding Te Tiriti is important. It's part of being a New Zealander. So if we're going to move forward together as a united country, we really need to know our history.
So imagine again that you are the hapu of the library. Your ancestors discovered the library. You know all the important landmarks here. You know where to gather food, to hunt. Each of you, the seat or the cushion that you're sitting on is your piece of land. And let's say it's an acre in Auckland. Congratulations.
The book is sharing information from the Waitangi Tribunal and writing that's not controversial but doesn't seem to have got through to most Kiwis.
Māori discovered Aotearoa. Moriori discovered Rekohu Chatham Islands. They owned all the land and had tino rangatiratanga or complete authority over their own lives.
I'm going to put a slightly edited version on the screen and read it out to you because I think it's very impressive how clear it is.
We can't assume that MPs know about Te Tiriti because they're people just like us. And if I reflect on my own upbringing, I didn't learn anything when I was at school, unfortunately. We expect to see it in our laws, and increasingly the courts are starting to really understand and apply Te Tiriti across cases.